Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel, and this video we are going to talk about one of the best feature on iPhone. If you don't know about it, you gotta know about it, you gotta start using. We are talking about iBook. If I tell you I can put my books, all my certificates and all my pictures and all my text documents in my phone, you're not gonna believe it, but I will show you in a minute what I'm talking about. Let's walk with me. Hey friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on subscribe button, then click on ring bell button so you can get the latest video notification from my channel. Now you can see I have my iPhone front of camera. We're gonna record video like that because I'm not gonna record screen, otherwise you're gonna miss where I'm clicking on what I'm opening. So at front of screen you can see I have a books here. It's called iBook. When you start or first set up iPhone, it comes by day. You don't need to purchase or anything. If you by mistake delete it, you can get back from your app store. So if you open iBook, I have already clicked on a library, so that's my library. I have a lot of books over here. And this video we are only going to know about like why is really important and you need to start using, not how to use iBook. We can make another video. If you have any question, you can leave a comment in comment box, then we can make another video and I will get back to you guys as soon as I have a chance. So let's see. First we're gonna open one of them. Like there's some of couple pages, but some of have like 400-500 pages. All are the books. There's a lot of things. My receipts, I pay bill with my phone, I save all the receipts. Like even you can see there's a 2005 Nissan Titan. So that's the schematic for Nissan Titan. You can see, if I'm gonna bring a little bit more closer, it's called 10 of 344. Basically this one have a 344 pages. This book have a 344 pages and you all get on your iPhone iBook. Then like this one is some kind of application I downloaded, I saved on it. And the best thing is whatever you have here is PDF file. As you know, PDF file is more better to send as an email or print out. And we're gonna keep going. And I have almost everything here. This one is, I work as electrician, so I have a lot of books belongs to my electrical schematics, my electrical component manual instructions, stuff like that. But you can do all you need. This one have a 44 pages. If we keep okay here, iPhone 6s. I even have an iPhone 6s schematic, 60 pages. If we can read iPhone 4 schematic, iPhone 4a schematic, projector manual, iPhone schematic, top of that one PLC level 6.2, that's my certificates. I have almost everything. So now let's as you can see we have a lot like here, PowerFlex 525. How many books, how many pages? 270 pages. If you have this kind of book, what you have to do, you have to go page by page and manual book, and you need to find what you're looking inside. But in this one, you can simply click on search, type text here, what you need to look, and it will find for you. And also, I think most of people carry phone always, but not the books. And we don't know what time, which book we needed. So that's the best way. And now let's know about how you can get the books. Like say you go to Google, you can search any book. Like I have already opened, so I don't want to save some time, so I have already downloaded, like it's open in Google. It's kind of PowerFlex 400 VF drive instruction manual. So what I only have to do after I have open in Google, I'm gonna click on here, this arrow. Over here, you're gonna ask you what you wanna do. You're gonna go here, you're gonna find and list iBook. You click on iBook, it will bring it here in iBook. Now So over here you can edit whatever you want to do. You can delete, you can keep hold it, or you can rename it. Like here you can say whatever you want to do. I'm gonna say Power Flex. $400. That's it. It's renamed already. Let's open and see how many pages it have. It have 196 pages. So that's the way you can get any book. Like either you can find any empty form, USCIS, and open it. I'm gonna search for N400. You can open applications. You see anything you want to open it. You can open file. This PDF file. I have 20 pages. Now I'm gonna click over here. I can save in my PDF file. I don't need to save it, but you can save like that now. So that's the way you can store a lot of books, even your pictures, your certificates. You can your billing receipts and anything. And what you have to do, you have to go to your iPhone setting and you can click this one as a backup. Anytime iPhone get backup, it will take all the books back on your backup file, and anytime you change iPhone and anything, it will get back to your new phone. Even you can have it like any kind of picture. You have a picture, not the video, but you have any kind of picture. You can put that picture also as a PDF file. Actually, this one is video. Like say I have this picture, I can put in a PDF file here. Any picture or document have an option as a save PDF to book. You can do it. Okay, now let's go to the book. So what you have to do here, you need to rename it or anything. Then next thing, like say if this one you want to send to somebody or you want to print, what you have to do, you gotta go click over here on the top button. You click, and if you have any printer tied to your wireless printer set up already, you can click on printer, and as I see here my printer, you will be able to see, you can click on print, it will print this book. I don't want to print it, but and second thing, you can also mail it. You click on top, you want to mail it, you can email this iBook as a PDF file to anybody. Like so you have save any document in your phone, you want to send to somebody, by chance you like somebody asks you, they need this kind of document from you, or you know more about it, you can send it. Rather you are a mechanic, electrician, you're working business, any kind of job you do, you can use this iBook as a pocket folder. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.